안녕하세요. Kamsaamida. Hi and welcome to everyone on a new video. So today what I'm gonna do is to unbox and review the latest product I got, which is a tripod, a Bluetooth tripod and a selfie stick made for Samsung by ITFIT. It's called ITFIT Selfie Stick P007. So when I wanted to buy this, I wanted to check some reviews, but not a single review on the net had a proper review. So I thought I'll make one for myself, so that if anyone is planning to buy this one in the future, it'll be helpful for them. So let's go. So guys, this is the device. You can see it says here on the top, ITFIT Mobile Lifestyle Samsung CNT, designed for Samsung. This is the device. You can see it says at the bottom, ITFIT Selfie P007 Bluetooth tripod selfie stick, one piece design, handheld tripod and multi-capture mode. So this is the Samsung ITFIT P007 tripod plus selfie stick, which is designed for Samsung. And here you can see the product feature. It says one piece design, handheld tripod and multi-capture mode. So you can see the maximum length of this device is 608 millimeter, that is 60 centimeters, which is 2 feet. So once the tripod does not get unfolded, you can have a 2 feet maximum length. As per product specifications, it says name Bluetooth tripod selfie sticks, rated voltage 3 volt, place of origin China, weight 142 grams, materials it's ABS plus aluminium alloy, length of storage is 207 mm, battery capacity 75 milliampere. Content Bluetooth tripod selfie stick / user manual. Principal Samsung CNT Corporation, manufactured by Winners Sun Plastic and Electronic Shenzhen Company. Samsung is not responsible for operations of the device or its compliance with safety and regulation standards. Designed for Samsung means that an accessory has been designed to connect specifically to Samsung mobile phones and has been certified by the developer to meet Samsung performance standard. It says made in China. So basically this is built for Samsung products, even though you can connect other products. So let's do the unboxing. I am going to slightly enter this here and then cut. Done. Let's open up and see. There it goes. I'm pretty much sure this will be upside down. So okay, yeah, there you go. We got the device and we got the manual. Let's get the tripod out. Allah, here you go. Nothing inside this one, so we can just keep it aside. Here we go. So this is the Bluetooth, I think the battery. This is the Bluetooth capturing device, which we can connect through Bluetooth. You can see this is one piece design. See, nothing here, nothing else. So we got some rubber mesh here at the bottom for a grip when you do it like this. Okay. You can't place it, you have to push it down. So this comes up. Once you push this one down, this comes up. Yeah, perfect. You can balance it very well. Can balance it very nicely. So we have rubber mesh here also, here plus here. So it's a nice grip, and we can extend this arm. We can extend this arm for 2 feet. Yeah, I think it's 2 feet collectively. Yeah, as you can see, this is the full length. 2 feet length of the selfie stick. It's nice. It has a, it's not blue, it's not royal, it's a mix of blue and royal color. It's very nice. Here same aluminium. It has some shiny plus matte look here. It's totally glossy look here down, but this one has a very nice satin look. It's very tight, so it's good. The more tighter the better. The more tighter the better. You can hide the whole thing like this as one piece. See, it's very nice. So we'll just take this one. Yeah, you can turn this side. Yeah, so vertical and the other way, portrait and vertical. You can fix your phone. This is extendable and this is extendable too. Both are extendable. Nice. This is a very tight turn. It's better. You can bend this. Yeah, backwards not much, but frontwards, yes, it's a 90 degree, but for backward it's just like 10 degree angle. Perfect. Let me just fit the phone first. So currently I am going to install a Note 8. Yeah, so I have fixed a Note 8 here, fitting perfectly. Let me bring it to the center a little bit. Good, stable, very nice. Yeah, can use it like this, like this, doesn't fall. So this is a Note 8. This clip can be extended up to 4 inches. So basically you can install a Note 10 Plus. Currently I have a Note 10 Plus which is recording this video, so I cannot fit, but the Note 10 Plus will fit this one without the cover. I have a cover for the Note 10 Plus. With the cover I don't think I can put. With the cover I can't put, so without the cover I can easily put this. I can easily fit the phone in this one. So currently Note 10 Plus can be fixed. I think Note 10 Plus is one of the biggest phones, so according to my knowledge, any phone can be fixed on this one. This supports for other Android products and even iPhone. I'm going to fix my smaller phone, which is a Samsung S7 Edge. Since it's switched on, I'm just going to first let me try to work on the switch. So we'll remove this one like this. So basically this is not a rechargeable item. This does not support any recharge unless if it support wireless. No, it does not support. I'm just checking if it's charging on wireless. No, it does not support. So basically the thing is, you will have to replace the battery if the battery goes down. Simple as that. So I just remove the protection and I'm just going to install the battery. The battery which is using is a CR1620. A CR1620. It's made in Indonesian Panasonic battery. So if the battery goes up, the battery goes out, you will have to replace the battery rather than charging this one. The earlier model supported rechargeable. So the earlier product had a charging point here which can be charged, but not this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to connect this to my phone and see. Start the Bluetooth. So you will have to, I will have to press and hold this. So it came green and it's blinking. So the device is ready. So you can see it says ITFIT Selfie P007. It's pair with ITFIT Selfie. Yes. So this is recognized as a keyboard connected as an input device. Perfect. Yes. Yeah, so let's put this phone, let's use this phone as the camera. Let's so here I have connected the phone and I'm trying to get a picture from this one. Let's just click and see. Yes, it does work. Yeah, it does work. There you see, you can get the pictures without any issues with this one. You have to make sure on the settings you have fixed this volume key function. This has to be on take pictures because this switch works as a volume key. So you have to make sure that the volume key function is set to take pictures. If it's on zoom, it will not. It will just, when you press this button, it will just keep on zooming. So make sure you select this voice volume key button as take pictures. There you go. Without any issues, photos are getting clicked. Now I don't know how long this will last because it has a non-rechargeable battery, but it's a very good device. It's very stable. It's a very good device. So there you go. This is the device. You can extend the length. There you go, the device. This is fully extended. I think a little bit can be done. A very satisfying device. Loving it so far. So guys, I hope you like the video, you like the product. My opinion is, if you are using a Samsung and if you are looking for a tripod and a selfie stick, this is the device for you. But this is not a conventional selfie stick. So if you are looking for a very long selfie stick, this is not the product which will fit you, because this is only 2 feet long maximum, 60 centimeters maximum long. But if you want to use it as a tripod, your phone as a tripod plus little bit of extended length, then this is your product. Rather than using as a selfie stick, this is a better tripod, a good selfie but a better tripod for me, because of the stability and the proper length. So I got this product because I wanted a tripod when I'm streaming, because currently I'm using a gimbal and the gimbal is electronic and the battery goes down, plus I'm using a phone as my webcam. When the phone's battery dies, I cannot connect to the charger because of the gimbal. So to solve all these issues, I got myself this product. So this is going to be very helpful for me of the physics. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching this video. We'll meet on another brand new video. Till then, kuch mish karo.